Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SwarmNode.AI token. Now this token just came out 1 day, 4 hours ago on RAYDIUM, and today they have a 24-hour trading volume of $40.7 million. Ticker symbol is SNAI. And we're going to go over the information on the SwarmNode.AI token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is a brand new token on the Solana blockchain. You can find it on SolScan, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. It's actually trending right now, number 24 on Dex Screener. They have a market cap of $9 million. And like I said, over $40 million in 24-hour trading volume today. They have $513,000 worth of liquidity in RAYDIUM, and according to Dex Screener, 99.96% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price is almost a penny right now, 0.009 USD. Now, if you're looking to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Soulflare wallet, Phantom wallet, or Trust wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund that wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol. You would go into the dApps, you would find RAYDIUM, and then you would trade your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, which is SwarmNode.AI. You can see it linked right there on the Twitter, or you can find the contract address right there on that Twitter at SwarmNode. You see it ends in pump because this token was created on pump.fun, webpage for creating Solana meme coins. They have the blue verified check mark. They just joined Twitter December 2024, already over 3,000 followers and 27 posts so far. So they have here their webpage, SwarmNode.AI, has links to the Discord, Telegram, GitHub, login information, document section, says try for free. So many links all over their webpage that you could check out. And yeah, so if you go to the docs, that's where you're going to find even more info. There's the getting started guide and on how to use SwarmNode. So it says SwarmNode enables you to run Python agents in the cloud without managing servers. An agent can be executed via the UI, REST API, and Python SDK. You can create an agent. It says agents can be created from the UI on app.swarmnode.ai agents/create or via REST API and Python SDK. In the following sections, on their document section, they focus on UI. You could read more in depth about that, but it says an agent consists of 3 key components: script, requirements, and environment variables. It says script is your Python script that will be executed. Requirements are the Python packages that your script depends on. It says, for example, if your script uses the requests package, you need to add it to the requirements. And environment variables are on the variables that your script can access during execution. Only script is required. Requirements and environment variables are optional. It says write your Python script as you normally would. The The only necessity is that your script includes a def main function, which will be executed. The main function can either have 0 parameters or 1 parameter. So if your script depends on the Python packages, you need to add them to the requirements. Each package should be in a separate line. And it goes on about how to use, or the getting started guide on how to do all this. And it says here, the SwarmNode API is designed based on REST architecture with predictability structured, resource-focused URLs. It uses JSON for both its request bodies and response payloads and follows established practices for HTTP response codes, authentication, and verbs. Alternatively, you can use the SwarmNode Python SDK to interact with your API. Now, the SwarmNode API uses API keys for authentication. Visit the API keys page to generate an API key. Include your API key in the authorization HTTP header for every API request as outlined on their document section. Now, they have different agents, so there's lists of all agents that you could check out. You can learn how to retrieve an agent, delete an agent, update an agent, create an agent. There's also a building section, so with a list of all builds or retrieve a build. And there's an execution section, so it says lists all executions, retrieve an execution. Now, for the agent builder jobs, they have lists of that and retrieving that. And then they also have agent executor jobs. And you can find all this on their webpage here, SwarmNode.AI. So deploy serverless AI agents in the cloud, orchestrate collaboration between agents via the SwarmNode Python SDK. Some of the features is serverless, so deploys agents in the cloud without managing servers. Chaining, chain agents together to create complex workflows. And orchestration, orchestrate agents via REST API and Python SDK. Now the roadmap here has data storage. Every agent will have access to a free key value data store, shareable between agents. There's scheduling. You'll be able to schedule agents to run at a specific time. And there's an agent library, a library of agents to choose from or create and publish your own. So how much does the server cost? Your account balance represents agent execution time instead of dollars. When you sign up, you get 12 hours of free execution time to try out the service. And what happens to my agents if the balance runs out? Don't worry, your agents will continue to run. You'll receive an email notification to top up your balance. So yeah, and then you can try it for free. It says ready to deploy your first agent, and you can find all this at SwarmNode.ai, and you can find the Solana token there listed on BirdEye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about the SNAI token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And like I said, if you want to get this token, you can get it off of RAYDIUM with a Soulflare, Phantom, Trust Wallet, any one of those wallets using the contract address that you can find right there on the Twitter. If you want to check out the other very popular tokens that I talked about today, just click on my channel there. And if you want to stay up to date with when the token listings come out, you can hit that notifications bell. And if you want to help support the channel, you can hit that join button and become a member. And thanks to all the people who have become members in the past. Appreciate all of you. And everybody have a good day out there. Peace out.